Welcome to the video lecture series on microprocessor and peripheral interface. In previous session, we have discussed about the memory segmentation of 8086 processor. In this video lecture, we will see the more examples based on physical address calculation. In previous session also we have discussed how to calculate the physical address. So physical address is calculated by the formula physical address is equal to segment register into 10H. So this will give us the starting address of the segment or memory segment plus effective address. We have also seen this table in previous lecture. So these are the pointer registers and this is the default segment register. So for segment register DS, we are having 3 pointer registers BX, SI and DI. For default segment register SS, we are having 2 pointer registers SP and BP. And for CS, that is code segment, we have pointer register as IP. This pointer register DI we have to use in case of extra segment for string operations. So this table will be very useful while calculation of physical address. Here is one example, simple example is represented. Let's consider CS, means code segment register has given the data 348AH and instruction pointer has given data 4214. So how we can calculate the physical address? So physical address is calculated by segment register into 10H plus the offset, or we can say that effective address. And for code segment we have seen the pointer register used is IP. Here you can observe for code segment pointer register is IP, so plus IP. So CS is 348AH into 10H plus 4214H. So we'll get 348A0H. So this is the starting address of code segment, and in that 4214 is the offset, and when we add these two we will get the physical address for the code segment. So by this way we will calculate the physical address. Now let's see one example here. Calculate the physical address of the memory operand for instruction move AX, BP plus 12H. Here we have to assume BP is equal to 0350H, DS E000H and SS is given as F910H. Now what is this instruction? Move AX, in the square bracket BP plus 12H means contents from memory location pointed by BP plus 12H has to be moved into the AX register. Okay, so we will calculate the physical address. So physical address is equal to, now our segment register, which is our segment register for BP, which is the segment register associated with BP. So with respect to BP we are having segment register SS. In this table you can observe for BP we are having segment register SS, means here we have to use physical address is equal to SS into 10H plus the effective address, that is nothing but BP plus 12H. So BP plus 12H. So SS is equal to F910H into 10H plus BP is given as 0350H plus 12H. So it will become F9100H plus 0350H plus 12H, and when we add this we'll get the final physical address pointed by this is equal to F9462H. So by this way we can calculate the physical address of the memory operand for this particular instruction. Now let's see one more example. Now what is our example? If DS is equal to 2100H, SS is equal to 110H, CS is equal to F000H, ES is equal to 8000H, BX is 0158H, DI is 1085H, BP 2000H, SI 3050H. Then give physical address of data moved in AL or AX register for the following instructions. So three instructions are given, and in these three instructions we have to calculate the physical address of data moved either in AX register or in AL register. So first instruction is move AX comma in the square bracket BX plus SI. So we'll find out for first instruction, move AX comma BX plus SI. Now our formula is physical address is equal to segment register. Now which is the segment register for BX? Segment register for BX is nothing but DS. So DS into 10H plus this effective address BX plus SI. So DS is equal to how much given? It is 2100H into 10H plus BX is given as 0158H plus SI is given as 3050H, and by adding this we'll get the total physical address from where the contents are moved to AX register, and we'll get the physical address equals to 241A8H. So this is the physical address of data which is moved in AX register for first instruction. Now our second instruction, move AL comma BP plus DI. Now for BP, which is our default segment register? So for BP we are having default segment register as SS. So physical address is calculated as physical address is equal to segment register into 10H. That is, segment register for BP is SS into 10H plus this offset is given by BP plus DI. So SS is given as 1100H into 10H plus BP is given as 2000H and DI is given as 1085H. So by adding this we'll get the physical address of data which is moved to AL location. So physical address of data is equal to, after calculation we'll get 15100H. So this is the physical address for the data in case of second instruction. What is our third instruction? Third instruction is move AX comma BX plus SI plus 06H. Now for this BX register, which is the default segment register, it is DS. Okay, so the physical address is calculated as DS is the default segment register for BX pointer register into, so DS into 10H plus BX plus SI plus 06H. DS is given as 2100H into 10H plus BX is given as 0158H plus SI is given as 3050 plus 06H. Final answer for physical address calculation is 241AEH. So this is the physical address for the data from the memory location which has moved into AX register. So here in this video lecture we have seen how we can calculate the physical address for memory operand for the given instructions. Thank you for watching the video.